In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Password type trainer and then click on OK. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select this music icon to mute the music and then launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the numlock in your numpad and then turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, press the 2 key for infinite ammo. Press the 3 key in your numpad for no reload. Get back to the game. As you can see, infinite ammo and no reload working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.